Ninye Ngabirano Charles ndio mutuze wa Seru ya Rukarabo muri Rukarabo parish muri sub county kandi natunga amakuru amwanga mbera na nagahurireho ngo n'abantu nyecera batayirire nje mushiro bakweta Saulo mwijukuru wa Kanyabubare wa Rwinyagasero. Ecyo kubanza nyenda kwazana gamba ali Saulo ugu n'umuntu bire narondwa apa n'umuntu ine mishango iri kurenga 10 ayine mishango yo kutema abantu ya violence ayisande wire akatera umurumuna yenda kumwita ngo nampagira ubwo nabwo n'umushango rya polisi ubwo n'umushango gwe yabayine ibiri bya wire bakatahira chairman LC1 Mr Sande bashenya burenje yeye kandi bo babareba so biratwira buzire so ejo niyo mushango y'inani imanya rya risande kandi abire natambura no muhoro inayi ayinjira ayine kizu cyamana aka ibinde byakora tino kubicenga akati kakaba nakaru konka chairman kubashenyurenje wa LC1 of course twabimanya yanteresimu so ico nanimanya icyo kibireho nyumwe nyecure bimushane mwanyereke bishane nabireba narebe by'abantu bakugamba ibyo bishani na storage nibasa kubina kakwate na store ndije twireho aro store ne bishane bire nibikwata bebembizi ba RDC nabaha bakubagira ngo bakabayirukaho mwizi ngo baruge mwizi ari mu program twirene yombekwa erikombe kwa honorable Tsime MP twino wa Rwampara East Hati yogenda kudiscreditinga ninga kutera izina ribi abebembezi abaryo muri Rwampara ba security hamwe nitwa besimbire eyo kulira makarangira kwereka ngo yitwe turyo mu bintu turyo mu bihenda amateka tukore imirimo yo kwenda amateka uninga nabembizi barimirwe eje programu etwirene baho ni bakora nchiko including uruchiko rwabire wa mutabano wa Kasibante Sande hwire MP we nka yahira abane miho sente shiringi kakaga ngo bagende bagure miho buri muntu kandi ndindi bakagenda bagure miho baza Kigaga umukiro kutahirirayo konka ihibagire Kigaga ababana ba Kigaga bakabina mani minja harufurwa Kasoma rwo mugenzi Kasoma abo kubagireyo baronde cyo kora cyabura because bakagenda umuheri we batakwitegereza kandi abana babakwata babarekura babaruriza ngo bagira ngo mugende ngamutagigarukira so ibyo binte biro nibibaho okunareba kamera zanyu nebishane binareba n'abantu abonarebamo nareba nk'abantu bakuruga kakoni kilometer 2-3 kuruga imwamuri tinarebamo Erison chairman umufilmu zanyu kandi tinarayine kimwana mubuza LC2 tinamurebamo tinareba umuntu ayanjira kwa kaciko nareba abantu bacabandi kumanyamuka nko musigazi na haningi naruga hina Kabuyanda so nanimbuza abantu abo bakuruga za Kabuyanda bakuruga hari bo bayikaho bata kandi abacaroye nyine batari wawo so namanya ngo niyo magezi ganje no kureba kwa na analysis yanje ni story eyibatekire ako jeni program no tujimanya ni story eyibatekire ako twamazire no kucitegereza na ba police bazakunza baca investigating ejenju eshenyirwe ne basako eshenyirwe bakamabayo ibintu bakabishohoza kandi bakabibika ine no wabaga tugambire kandi bakora na search zo majaga ryo bazane byo bintu kuyibona orwijuru ryaho mwarureba ati nkwamye ngo umuntu nawe kutayirira reragira time yo kushenye nyiji ahacaro vigilance yitwe no muri mwizi tino muto kubasa niyo kwa barya baseruka ari twakije mwizi bakashenye enju bakashenye nyiji bakazitaho bakarunda n'ibintu bakabyose ati bikabo twine security amani muri mwizi tikikaba hejo so ejo story jonjo inarebe je ya Saulo ejo story bagitekira aho bagihise bagibihurira aka vigilance indi kumanya yitwe no mu byaro twine mu ba crime preventer twine mu ba LC twine y'amasimu umuntu akutambura kija akazasini akatera enju akashenyo rwija karurambikaho akiyamwa amadirisa akagataho akakwata ibintu akabyosa icyo kintu cyekwa kukimara ng'endakika 20 kandi muri mwizitu to kubasa kuri kintu cyo kubona 20 atakabiri muri response so icyo njabo kibe investigated. Ikindi ekitukumanya ejenje ndije ruguru iyo wa chairman ya Mr. Wilbrod iyo nebire ryenje yenkiko kandi nimwe abakikire abashenyere enje ya chairman nimwe bahikire bakacika, so they are just doing preemptive ako abatayire chairman wakabareba yabahandika amazina gabo gona gari cyabaho kitangu kuba amaze kutayiro wa chairman ebiro bice immediately bamanya ngo babamanya amazina gabo no gahandikire police rero ne baronda including Sauro wa biralirida kandi watiriye chairman simu akamugamba ngo tuza kutayira chairman Sandi ako Sauro no musinzi wakafa kubigamba ya mugamba tunere kutahirira abwenche enjo ya chairman kuba amaze gukishenya kandi bakabamanya abwenchi biriho munezo nibwe zishenyirwe, so ebyo nebishuba konke cyamuhera ninda kugamba ko arabihi ebyo byo nebibireho nibyo mushija mukuru nibyo muntu yetegerize nibyo mwebembezi tinkwasa kuzo mu bintu kebyo umukaruka primary zibakatera abahagizi banje munonga abantu banje bakandi wenda kuri yatarenga rwana n'abazibira security na ikimanya Saurogu bamugambira munonga osi na kimanya twamugambira ngo bakwate Sauro bamukome Sauro yabalema, so police nindi kubanza nataho umushango number 1 akwebya Sauro Rozio Tunda Daudi Meya wakabura abona ni babamanya baroni bakora bona bineza file ziri sanctioned Paulson wakaruhogo abona ni babamanya nanyi wazo mu kampu yanjye kashanga umutogo zireki ikihagaro nimbagambira bamukome kampu yanjye bona ni bakimanya bakumpagira tinkwikizo muntu we nakole kinte kibi, therefore ejestole ni stole erya bigger program ya honorable Tsino kwazi rwo bururu ezo nchiko nizibaho urukiko rwaryo wa mutabano wa Kasibante esande hwire urundi ukaruryo wa ohogwe niba wa chairman nezini chinko kezi washanga mwebembezi nagambira abantu nabakure imihoro abo yaguzire bakayanemera bakaza kigaga, so ubururu bwa muremire ebyo birwo ebyo kuza confusing abantu bitu reasoning eryo mu filme zimwakwata tiya abantu abonogireba uriyo mukazi we cyaro kuri dizina ngabira mito kandi yabagaho teo kutindimu namara okwezi ntakajiro mu gice cyange cya ryamiyonga ati ukaruga hasoka ukaguruka ukambuta ingabiro bamwe mu karuno rangwezo ni stories ziri fabricated, therefore umuntu yari mu bakaruru kakurimo gendeje reka confusing abantu becyaro konke cyo ndugamba uyazeya abembeze turiho abembeza abamagezi turiho abembeza abakusasi bw'abantu turiho sakura ngo abantu bitu abatereza kandi abo basigazi abo ari ni ba aminga ni batamo byo kurwana tubabona ingeri munonga icyo njya police bire vigilante nkaze tungere mutokanzga patrol yongeyire so nyesigante plan zo niza kufa n'abasigaza batire tibariho nibo betire umuntu namarisha yisha tunashenye nje twina amasimu twine kito kumureba najo satokureba nomwe abwenchi bataronde imbwa za polisi mukasheshe zikaba abwenchi bita evidence ya polisi yembwa
polisi kiresha mukago gucura
kwigirisha mukago okay aho kamwizi kamugambire turisireho n'umushimo wo kweta burebe nitu twamwitera mwizi n'abashima bona wakaje mwizi tokisho kakoresha garuka gendo never twine cooperation yitu toko zanje ya mwizo kagishenyo kamaresha ukose ibintu rero kagutu bakukwata kikagwaza kuba rero karuga harari rwenyaga okatambura gato otole ryamiyonga otole Kanyerere otoli hombya otole
Majango kabura bona ba RDC ba police person ne bona babagura so tino
byo wakiya nkabagura kinkabagura n'ibintu babagura mu duka
babashashura
they are on your side
mba ku defend. How true is that kitecho mpa
atecho kija kitumugiye cyo necho first of all no kireba RDC nkamugura ntaje ngagura police nagura RDC nebishuba ubwo mushije mugambire mu kimanya kanje gambe gukura bona rotsima karuru ka muri milita ine karuru hari mu byo kwata nuwali ona kandi niwe leader wa violence sense ona ni mumanya kandi atushaziremo kumwanika ahako inchiko zone za kujana tuzimanya ate byaro na ikozisa ko nangu atunge sympathy attention na si mu barracks na sibahe na bihe bine bisabye tubiza gukora nikimanya ko ngambire mwizi to kwasa kwija wa rugamba rwo mushimo bakambaro ine mbundu turadisamingire nabine mbundu tukadisaminga umushimo wabiraremere police ka group y'abashimo nkamwena nabo mugyo cyo cyaro ryamyonga burebe wabire na ruga kaberebere tukabadisaminga tino mushubu muto no kwija mwizi akakora cyagaro nkecho abataka bamwizi bakamureka so icyo kintu baceye kuri
eje mbere yagumete to kareba uza kuranka bya biri singiro sausi
ubama kuzagumete hako security yacu manya hako tuntu bagambira ba security batafukira sembere je neza koma hati te kuzagugaruka kandi twaza kuba vigilant umuntu wena orayeto muri gebyo oba no muhajizi wanje oba no muhajizi watakuza kubona so eje mbera yakomera izoba ntugakirunje security ya deployinga nabana baza kuzayo so nyesiganti icyo cyabire namayungu kiza kuleta wakashasha mu rukikuza kuba
wabure kwa nomination ukagira ngo already ukurwanagana n'ikintu cyona nashukura ngo already ku batoringa n'ikintu cyona so
actually in reference this honorable kwa kunchezo kachikushomera kuwa kigambire you said we shall counteract, we shall not allow to be marched or beaten or abused. We are together in all activities that we are going to do. We are together to protect our votes and we are together to protect ourselves against violence. You bring violence to us, we shall give it back to you.
So what
on that reference ona tuchuta kwa sakubundi
tukibironye kiro cha ati echo kibironje twakosa police ako iti tukakozire kinchora ngo ejo ngakigamba first of all kuja ngo bakabatera abantu banje munonga kandi file zone ziriho waza rwampara police wazo mu nkai file zone ziriho so ejo ngakigamba ndikumanyisa ngutino muntu yitubarushe kutera konka kagenda na chanjuro mu authorities kurunje munonga police tukajiinforminga abantu abine file ni babamanya nabagamba amazina abine mishangu ni babamanya kandi tubane ngo badiringa nabo abantu ahubwo nuba kuleta kavuya cyo nakigambi kwenda kwimusa police konka tinda kigambire ngwe ni organizing kuza kutandika urwana no
Honorable Julius Wesimbe nawe hino bari kugamba jambo akaruko na kuyiwa atandikira kwa Wesimbe bakarukora Wesimbe mukakabagambuka be peaceful ubundi buzibu ni ubwini
ni wabwiye nako ni wabera ari komanda umugarukanje ga 2016 ni yatangiye ni wabera ari komanda wo kutira abantu we nabandi bana bakoresha kosi cyabo cyo bwa komanda kandi wakayina idea yo kuja kumana bikora umisho so he was the commander ni wabera ari youth leader wabera na akorebye bintu so na hati njana indangwa biguze mu kongati nyo kuyashaye ngo nabirugama of course abana abo yabire nakozesa akabanza yabatwara yabanyi baho na hata bamwa bine hata abana abaca bari abagizemwe amagezi bakagaruka wanje tibine shonga yagumya mu bace ababa in violence.
Were you in the know of the operations of Julius Chimango akari mu camp yawe and you've categorically said it?
Ubwo bwira kalero tukaryo rutaro baka I mean it was like akari violence hona ruchamone wakaini violence nyingi akachamudda kana tseva runchi muri karukumi so violence keru kandi violence yabiro yabona ruchamadiri Julius akari mu group yabire in side yanje ni counteracting violence so hona Julius yaje munyondo ndo mutori violent nabona biha nabona promoting ni wakunjiza violence.
Don't you think we are going to see the same crashes as part of 2016 always in the Chama did right now?
No, we are not going to see them. If the security doesn't, the security will take charge. The security has voted. Security is akubiriho tinko yangutuza kubiriho. Ikindi people are aware. Abantu bari aware tukuza kwisha nico nagambira into muntu kwasa kuzahanjo kagishenyo kamareshaho karundani nyijyo kosike bintu rero abantu bari aho amwizi high densely populated area. Mwizi no tambara mitigano takabwire ejo inemo kukirewa imwayi mwaza henju mwagirebe ejo mwarebe zingaze itorwira ikikacho mugenzi kanyabwari eco kiryaho mwari bamajanga no basakwijo shenye henju rero yetare rero gende
ona bokije wayisimu mukora k'inkuri na mukaga katambura kurungi awija umuntu ene primary zira kayanga umuntu naza kutekateka naza kwebuza bwenje abantu ba bokwempa ubekomereho muri ngugu
akaruka hakuna isimbire
2021 Julius
yakusinga no chimandire mukakasinga nasinga primary zino mutaro na kenda Julius akayine kumwibire ngani musinza kashanju no chimanya mutango do yakijo bwo buru yabuhindura no chimanya ngone rumura karyo akasha tanga do ya mukoro wo kubanza so no manko Julius bakakiyo no chimanya jengu 2021 tarabiro hotale senti okareportinga tale senti akaruka isi umuri rwampara ukazo mutari senta wagirewe keriho jino itubaka kiba nyona ana batwiba twakuma businje no kimanya ngo nyine motoka irimo amasasi ana go bantire nkiruka nkabasi uta kukimonyo gendo kimasote nto nunkasinga batwiba
umwera primaries
nazo nkansinjira batwiba nakambire nkasinjira akanyira ubururu basi ogwine difference uburiga na 22 kandi akibururu kuri nkumisha tunakasinga ka primary. So that actually turoni tugira ngo nitwenda kumaraho kwiba karuru okumuri rwa mpara imikino cyo kwiba karuru. So 2020 tindasingwa karuru nakana kamwe kunka ababiri za security bakarete mbundu bakaziko
Browest Communications yakuretera Mbarara Kids Festival. Abana bane b'imyaka 2 okuka myaka 15 2017 by'ukwezi ku 12 ari University in Mbarara okurga sayibiri zakasheshe aho tutandikira kuzana buhuna bouncing castles, water slides, swimming okutahambura umwana n'umutwaro gumwe kandi abazira okutahamu no kwabusha buri kararundano yizoberyo kagendere kimwari Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital okukwatira abana bino burwire bwa cancer okukora booking no kumanje biri kushiraho 07 mukaga 23 24 22 na 0700 33 nkaga na mwenda 03 bishakirwe TV West Vima Events Lato Milk na Dental Access
usingi kandi ikirungi no reba time is the best enemy nga the best friend emyaka 5 tewire titurya abatwibero kandi wane mutwa nizoko takiriho
honorable uri umuntu wa NRM kandi president Museveni ayizena government yaba NRM batakije nkaba independence konka statement ejo mpaho ninjira tumurake batabaracengera bamwe abayizi nkaba independence ejo mpo
turya bashema no lawo tushomire urebe yangambaho
Kagame kwabagambe ba independence ejo shonge ejo mpaho kugira ngo uri wa NRM
ejo tukakidiscussinga na kimanya no clearance tujine tino yisimbire irigale hagati yanje kanci bwambiro kimanya na support rero ningitunga na government nempa support na security byona nibaza ko bituha tino ragaruka bakaruka rwampa
so cyo kwesi munka independence
cyo kwesi mbakirugeho tino kunchiza NRM kandi turoni twenda gukorera abantu bitse cyo kwesi mbokireke cyo cyahwire niza kwesimba kandi niza kukamerwa karuga niza kukasimba
mbweni turi kubendera ni butumwa cyo boyinira abantu bawe
ubutumwa bwinira abantu ba Rwampara abantu ba Rwampara East abantu ba Mwizi Greta no kubagambira ngo ikinde cyumwashaziremo cyakomirwe abakugezeho kukiteganisa ntubamanya mureke twatanise na security turengo twasinga karuru kitu nko kuturiyo tukasinga yenda kusema chairman ogo bijira bakatera bakakanga kanga irizanagamba na wasimu yampamiza nabembe mbizibona bahamire akwane bamanyangu ibyo byo kutina tenisa abantu tubikuza gukora tuyino busingi bwa government bwa movement NRM but above all ibintu bya security byona ntubikwasa government nshaba government security committee polisi bije bakora umuntu rwabo no gwanye no kuronda karuru mwete ndashumira security nemwe so nanye mwashange n'ikindi ukora ishobire mu nkome aya mavire bona akore shobe yona ngagera nango umuntu unatunga kakumu mu nkome mutwaro umucyo so nundi jo wena urachikole tinora oshime kuzayiguriye cyerejero cya government ya Uganda when I was nominated I made a statement that we should be very vigilant to ensure that we protect ourselves and our people from these brutal attacks which happened during the primaries. Those statements were made in the context that my supporters should be alert, but also they were meant to awaken the security system. And as soon as we made them, we reported the security, and we are very vigilant on ground. We report as much as possible whichever incidents happen. As we talk today, we have over 10 files, already files which have been made, which have been reported, references are there, and you can cross-check those with the Uganda police at Rwampara. We are also very aware and very keen. We have a lot of intelligence network to penetrate into meetings which want to do the contrary of our opponents, especially Honorable Julius, who has been planning very, very terrible things. So we have a lot of intelligence and we inform the security, and we know that whatever plan is being hatched to destabilize our campaigning system will fail because we are vigilant and the security system should help in this. For me, I'm a candidate. I'm looking for votes peacefully, and I'm sure my win is now a bit coming much more clearer. We urge the security system, we urge the police at all level to ensure that they prevail over the situation in the constituency. There is not much to worry about. The individuals are very well known, they have been profiled. The current cases are all reported, so there is not much deal about this. Security will be maintained if the police becomes vigilant.
As in Sauru's house.
The allegations in the house you visit today, I have looked at your films because I haven't visited the area. But I know that you have, in your investigation, whatever you have gone on ground, you have missed one major aspect, because the first house that was attacked was the house of the LC1 chairman of Gwenya Gasel, who is my supporter, and he's a leader, and he's a long-serving leader. So, and the person who led that attack is a man called Saul, whom you have not seen, but who is now under arrest. Besides the burning, the vandalization of that house, Saul had many other cases committed during the primaries, including beating his brother who supports me, including cutting another colleague of his. So he has been on the run with some other people, mainly the other files incriminate the Daudi, the mayor of Kaura Town Council. They incriminate one called Rosio. They incriminate Tunda. They incriminate Paulson and many others, and all those are well profiled. When I looked at your photos and the individuals in the film that we've taken, I have not seen any area leader, like LC1 chairman or anybody on the committee. LC2s are not there. There is no LC3 leadership. And I have seen that most of those people you have found at the scene are actually from distant areas, from 3-5 kilometers. One person is from Kawuyanda. Therefore, I think that we need to probe further. I cannot make conclusions, but my outright thinking is that this is something which has been pre-planned, because there are meetings that happened last week across that area. There is a support of my opponent where a meeting took place last week. There was another meeting in the house that we brought, and several other meetings. So for me, I think that this is something that must have been planned, because I know the vigilance in Mwizi. You cannot attack house in Mwizi because we have very good neighborliness. We are always alert. We have disarmed highly armed robbers. We have disarmed thieves. We have disarmed motorcycle attackers. And in Mwizi, we are very cooperative. If anyone makes an alarm, the neighbors will immediately come. So it is very surprising that people can come, get a house, remove doors and put them there down. The doors are seen lying down. Remove windows, put them down. Then remove property and burn it. And if you look at that house and the level of ash which is on the ground, the ash is like from one piece of cloth. And we are getting, of course, information that this was planned, that the properties were actually removed, the doors saved, and the burning was just a bit like ceremonial. And that is, but the police will find out. I'm not yet to conclude. So me, I believe that the Mwizi I know, the neighborliness that we have, I know that area. Actually, below that house, a few meters away, there is my uncle's house. My uncle's home is there. I have relatives in that area. I know. I grew up there in Rwempungu, in Cheyali. So I know the story that is coming up cannot happen. That people can come, burn a house, then go away. Not a single person is spotted. That is incredibly not possible in our area. Manipulate the system, to manipulate the leaders, because you have already even asked me that I bribed the RDC. I cannot bribe the RDC. The RDC is a competent lady, and actually when the RDC had arrived in Rwampara, she had turned against me because I had fed a lot of lies about me to her. She attended the funeral in Kabura where she attacked me, having not seen me. But eventually she realized that she was dealing with crooks. Because the mayor of Kabura Town Council had distorted her mind about me. But eventually she came to know the truth. Secondly, yes, you can manipulate. The current MP was dangerous in 2016. You could still want to use the same tricks. But I think now the good thing is that the systems have run him. Because in the 2021 elections, they manipulated the whole system using the RDC called Katera. Katera who did an operation that stripped me and the Honorable Anna of our victory. But of course, Katera was also a rogue person. Katera had been in prison for 7 years in Ruzira. So in 2021, we had 2 rogues meeting and they did what they did to us. Unfortunately, they thought that 5 years was a long time. We kept quiet, we kept our peace. Here we are 5 years as elapsed. They have done nothing, they have nothing to show. So they are resorting to violence. So their violence cannot win now. I want to thank the current leadership in Rwampara, the security system that has now stood with the people. Not that security system of Katera and Bonjerwa was the DSO and then Opio was there, who was the DPC, who were just bribed and they turned against the people's will. So I think now the current MP has nowhere to practice what he practiced in 2016 and 2021. My supporters keep peace, but to report to work with security. Even it was me myself and Gabriel Charles being involved in any action of violence, let me be arrested.